Hey there, I'm here with Lisa and we're going to be trying some Ulker Yupo Super Jelly candies. Got these in a exotic snack box. It was from various countries. I'm not sure where these are from. I'll look to see if I can find a link. If I can, I'll put it below. We'll go ahead and open those up. It doesn't say, I don't think, on the packaging. Not that I could see, but the writing's pretty tiny.
Yeah, they have quite very many languages on the back, so yeah. Well, it looks like a bunch of raspberry and stuff on the front, so let's open and see.
You may want to cut the top across this way so we can...
We're prepared.
We're not prepared at all. So yeah, I just cut the entire top off. Alright. They smell like regular fruit gummies. That's what you would expect.
Very pungent. Oh, they're good size too. Wow,
yeah, they're pretty good size. They're very gummy.
Yeah, they're a solid gummy, that's for sure. Good though. Good flavor.
Yeah, strong fruit flavor.
I could eat these.
I think mine was apple. What was yours?
Raspberry, I think. Yeah, I think that's what it was, raspberry. It's pretty good. I liked it. I definitely have the rest of them.
Yeah, it's flavor's pretty good. For me, it's just a little bit firm for what I can handle. I like a softer gummy, one that's easier to break down. But yeah, for those who like gummy candies, I'd say...
I'm getting a different one. Yeah, this one's different, yeah.
This might be one that you might like. If you've ever tried this brand before, this product before, let us know what you thought of it. But yeah, Lisa, out of 5 stars, what would you give this snack?
4, 3.5.
4 or 3.5? Which one?
4.
A 4. I'd probably have to give it a 3 just because I prefer it to be a little softer than what it is. But yeah, not too shabby. Pretty good. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.